Last year, between Oak Grove and Howell, the Great Lakes Central Railroad derailed a northbound train of empty hoppers on March 13th. A 3-foot piece of broken rail caused the derailment around 9:30 a.m. 23 cars out of the 85-car empty unit grain train flipped over on their sides just next to the right-of-way. The cleanup took several weeks, and we visited the area to get some aerial footage of the wreckage. On the same day of our visit, 2 of the GLC's Jeep 38-2s were leading a southbound manifest train through downtown Howell. With the former Ann Arbor Railroad depot in the backdrop, this made for a classic scene. Going back in time even further, Green Frog Productions' Penn Central Volume 2 highlights vintage footage taken by Emery Goulash that showcases a Penn Central run-through train at Howell. If you haven't picked up this amazing DVD from Green Frog, we highly recommend it.
We are at Howell, Michigan, on the Ann Arbor Railroad in May 1970. The Penn Central had trackage rights on a number of railroads, including on the Ann Arbor. At this time, the Ann Arbor was part of the Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, which had been controlled by the Pennsylvania Railroad. Today's action at Howell finds a Penn Central coal train returning empty from the Dow Chemical Power Plant at Midland, Michigan, headed for Toledo and its own rails.
We would like to extend our biggest thank yous to Green Frog for allowing us to share these scenes on YouTube.